All right, you know what time it is. This is a Real Home Cooking exclusive.
When you want it to be the bomb, check out realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com.
Coming live to you from a local Wendy's. I'm going to be piggybacking off of Domingo's video that he posted earlier. I was able to come out here to get a sausage sandwich that has Swiss cheese, egg, and a sausage patty. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. All right, so what we have here is something very similar to what he has. There is a creamy aioli. It has a slight garlic taste. The croissant seems very flaky and pliable, like you can see. Again, same egg, fresh egg. Sausage patty's well done, just the way that I like it. Sorry for shaking the camera around. A lot of sauce, not overly saucy. So we should be in for a pretty good experience. The one thing I think I would like on here is to have maybe lost my train of thought because the sauce is so good. Well, we'll bite into it to see if the heat that I would like to be on here. If you guys remember back to our hot pepper challenge for ALS, you know I like spice, so let's dig into this and see how it goes. All right, so I'm a fan of egg, so I'm gonna bite right into that piece and just get a full representation of what the sandwich is all about. Yeah, that sauce is coming through. I like the egg. I think there isn't any spice in here, at least not the way that I like it spicy. The sausage patty itself is very good. You're getting that fat flavor profile here, along with the egg. The sandwich is warm. That's what you want in a sandwich. You know, you don't want to bite into something that's cold. I don't know if that's going to be indicative of how things will always go for Wendy's. You know, as people the sandwich becomes more popular, more people want to come in to get it. You know, they're cranking them out at a faster pace, having them ready, sitting under a heat lamp. You know, it's going to depend on your luck whether or not you get something that's piping fresh and hot, you know, the way you would like it. But voice your opinion, let them know that this is how you would like it, and always send it back to the kitchen if you need to. So food is yours to enjoy, so speak up for yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take another bite. I would say that that's the one thing that is missing from this is some heat. Even black pepper would be nice. I didn't get the potato fries, so I don't have anything to like bump up that flavor profile that I'm looking for. But I would definitely add a little sriracha, a little bit of ketchup maybe, black pepper, you know, something like that, just to spice it up some. But it's not a bland sandwich. But I would definitely say, you know, again, for my flavor profile, I would definitely add a little bit to it. Good job on the croissant. It doesn't taste like McDonald's croissant or Burger King's croissant sandwich, but the flavor is good. It's a very moist sandwich bread, so I think you're really going to enjoy it. So this is a good sandwich. I do have to say so. Have fun, enjoy, and come back for more videos from realhomecooking.com.
When you want it to be the bomb, check out realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com.